Hi guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. Today I'm going to show you how I made this Christmas yardstick door swag. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. Just click the subscribe button below the video on the right. And if you want notifications for when I upload a tutorial, just click the bell. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share and leave me a comment. On my channel, I put up a poll and I had people to vote if they would like for me to do a Christmas in July wreath, and 80% said yes, so I hope y'all like it. We cut our yardstick to 28 inches, and you're going to need one roll of the mesh that's 21 inches long times 10 yards, and I ordered mine from Craft Outlet. You will also need some pipe cleaners. You could spray paint your yardstick first if you wanted to, if you're using a light colored mesh. Next, you're going to take your pipe cleaners and you're going to move down to the 2-inch mark. You're going to take one pipe cleaner, twist it tightly to the left side, take a second pipe cleaner, move down to that same spot, take that pipe cleaner, twist it tightly to the right. So we're doing double pipe cleaners. You're going to place your second set of pipe cleaners at the 8-inch mark. So take one pipe cleaner, twist it to the left and push it down to the table. Take another pipe cleaner, put it at the same spot on the 8-inch mark. Take it, twist it tightly to the right side. So you're going to place your pipe cleaners on 2, 8, 14, 20, and 26 for this yardstick door swag. Now remember, you can make these for any season or holiday, and these also make great centerpieces and garlands. I have recently made 2 fall yardstick door swags. If you have not seen those 2, I'll link both of them in the description box below for you, just in case you'd like to see those. I have lots of yardstick, door swag, centerpiece, garland tutorials on my channel. I think I have like 23. So if you have a specific one you're looking for a holiday or season, let me know and I'll try to link it below for you. Next, you're going to take your 21-inch Deco mesh and you're going to cut your mesh at 24 inches. You will need to cut a total of 10 pieces of your Deco mesh because you're going to have 5 pieces on the left, 5 pieces on the right. So 10 pieces, cut them at 24 inches. I had a request on one of my last yardstick door swags to do one using the 21-inch. So this one's a lot fuller and fluffier than the ones where I normally use the 10-inch Deco mesh. Place your Deco mesh on the table where that it curls down toward the table. Go to the center of it, walk your fingers up the Deco mesh all the way to the other end, and it kind of makes a bow tie or a ruffle. Then you're going to take that ruffle and you're going to go to one of your top pipe cleaners, and I'm just using the one on the right. Place the Deco mesh in it, then give your pipe cleaner a few twists, then fluff your ruffle. You're going to do the same steps. Walk your fingers up your center of your Deco mesh, making a ruffle. Make sure that it has the ends curling down toward the table when you start. Now you're going to take your ruffle and you're going to the pipe cleaner at the top on the left. Open those pipe cleaners up, place your Deco mesh in it, give the pipe cleaners a few twists, and then fluff your Deco mesh. We still have to add a third pipe cleaner to each set because the 21-inch Deco mesh is a little bit heavy. When you pick up your yardstick, one side wants to go to the left, one wants to go to the right instead of staying in the center. So you need to take a pipe cleaner and you're going to go where the ruffles, where that pipe cleaner is, go all the way around your yardstick, come up in between your little bow ties or ruffles, twist that pipe cleaner in the center of the yardstick, and that makes it stable where the ruffles stay in the center. So this is how one little set of ruffles looks. Very pretty. It kind of reminds me of a flower. So you're going to do the same steps. Take your Deco mesh, walk your fingers up the center, make a ruffle. Then you're going to go to your second set of pipe cleaners, place your ruffle in it. You're going to put one on the left side, one on the right side, and then you're going to add that last pipe cleaner, that third pipe cleaner, so that they stay balanced in the center. I ordered this All is Calm, All is Bright sign from Craft Outlet, and I also ordered the 2.5-inch width ribbon with wire from Craft Outlet, and then my solid green ribbon came from Sam's Club. The 21-inch Deco mesh is also from Craft Outlet. I don't remember if I said that or not, but now I'm making a bow, so let out a tail, make a loop, keep it pinched tightly in your left hand, go to the other side, try to make a loop the same size as your first loop, then go back to the first side, make another loop. Check to make sure you're making your loops the same size each time until you get the bow the size you want, then let out a tail, and then I'm adding some green ribbon on top. Same steps, just try to make your loops the same size each time. Now this bow is a little bit larger. I like to place a larger bow on the top of my wreath, a smaller bow on the bottom of my wreath. Right now it is still July, so I don't have a lot of Christmas decorations. Right now Hobby Lobby's starting to put Christmas decorations out, so I didn't have a lot of things to decorate it with. Normally I would add some shatterproof Christmas ornaments, some balls and things like that to, you know, make it more sparkly and everything, but right now this is all I had, so this is kind of simple, but I hope you like it anyways. And when you get your bow finished, make sure you get that wire nice and tight to dovetail the ends. Fold your ribbon in half with the edges to the left side. Go to the folded side, cut away from the fold, and that makes the pretty V on the end. Then you're going to want to fluff the loops of your bow. The ribbon with the Christmas wreath on it is kind of flimsy. It doesn't really want to hold its shape that well, so it doesn't make the prettiest bow. But I decided to add a strip of ribbon in the center just to kind of give it like a more whimsical look, I guess. And so that's why I added that strip. So it's not one of my better bows, so I'm sorry about that, guys. For this wreath, door swag, I ended up tying 3 bows because I didn't have any Christmas ornaments to add to it. I just had the sign and the ribbon and the mesh. So I did tie 3 bows, but I normally would just use 2 bows. To attach your bow to your wreath, take your wires, thread them through the mesh, go to the back, give the wires a few twists, then fold them down and cut them off. Same steps, I just made this smaller bow for the bottom of the wreath, used the wire, threaded it through the Deco mesh, went to the back of the yardstick, twisted it, folded down the extra part of the wires. And to hang this yardstick door swag up, it's easier just to drill a hole in the top of the yardstick. That way you can hang it up, you know, add some wire, fishing line, twine, something to make a loop so that you can hang it on your door. And that's the way the last bow for the bottom turned out. Now I'm adding some ribbon strips or ribbon tails, and I just cut my ribbon at 14 inches. Lots of people like to add ribbon tails to each pipe cleaner. So you just pinch the ribbon in the center, go to your pipe cleaner, and twist your ribbon in. Then when you get finished with your pipe cleaners, you can cut them off shorter and fold them down. Don't forget to fluff your ribbon tails. And normally I would probably add a shatterproof Christmas ornament to the center of my ribbon tails. I love this sign from Craft Outlet, All is Calm, All is Bright. I just added pipe cleaners to the back, just hot glued them on, then used those pipe cleaners to attach it to the Yardstick Door Swag. Then I made sure and fluffed my mesh, made sure my tails on my bows were facing forward, and that's it, guys. Very simple to do. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, share it with your friends and family, and leave me a comment. And I hope everyone's having a wonderful summer. Thank you guys so much for watching.